First of all, open Kinemaster and choose the layer you want. After it's opened, you have to choose a BG color. I will choose white and change its duration. After it, I will add a logo as a layer, and after adding it I will change the duration, which will be equal to the BG layer, and the in animation will be wiped down for 8 seconds. After it I will add the pencil layer. You can easily download it through the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So moving back to the video, after changing the duration according to the in animation, you have to tap the key logo on the left. After tapping it, you have to move it according to your in animation and in such a way that your pencil should be at the end, first right and then left according to the animation as you can see in the video. After all it, you can see that my animation has been ready. And it is just looking like a professional video edited through Doodly for free.